There is no single doubt. There is no doubt. MashaAllah. Lots of Indian clubs. As you see here, Indian club. So guys, if you are Indian or Indian subcontinent, lots of clubs going on here. You understand? Lots of Indian clubs. Indian club, most of those are Uzbekistan, Uzbek, Russian. But be mindful, there is no Indian girls. No. How? Because I think, I don't know, most of the Thai government agreement different. I don't see any. They have some Indian ugly women just dancing around, traditional dress up. Why they always dress up like a Punjabi bullshit, traditional dress up? It's a club, brother. Why you guys not come out a little bit modern work? Why you fucking traditionally bullshit always? It's not make sense. As you see here, it's a Russian club, Russian. This is very quiet today, as you see. Unbelievable. Beautiful, absolutely amazing. This is definitely crazy. Lots of women, lots of lady boy. This happen on time. Yeah. Absolutely crazy place. Unbelievable city, city in Pattaya, in Thailand, as you see. This is absolutely marvelous, absolutely wonderful city in Pattaya, in Thailand. I tell you, this is. Oh, see the Nepali ladies, wallahi azim. These two look like twins, they look similar. I don't understand. Wallahi. Coffee, shisha. You can smoke too many shit in Thailand, as you know, man. It is absolutely crazy. Salam, brother. This place, genuinely beautiful place. Unbelievable. Charismatic city and Pattaya in Thailand. So we're actually down. Walking is not hard. You see, you can finish even 5 to 10 minutes. You know, it depends how you look at it. It's not big. But walking is still one of the icons. But walking is still not Pattaya. Pattaya has a big area who actually entertainment place, you know, as you know. This is crazy, absolutely. If you come, it's absolutely crazy. Wallah, I'm coughing, man. Last night I drank too much. As you can see, right? Of course, if you guys come in Pattaya, Thailand, check it out. Common area always. Hopefully, guys, you get some types of idea in Pattaya. This is absolutely magnificent, absolutely beautiful place in Pattaya in Thailand. So be mindful. It is lots of fun going on this city, man. Don't be scared to come alone. We're heading to Pattaya mainland area. It's called Pattaya Iconic Place. As you can see, iconic place here. Yeah, in Pattaya, as you see here. So we almost actually finished in walking street is totally finished this area. So as you see, there is a lot of tourists. Most of tourists in here, they are from China. Most of tourists are from China. Yeah. So they love Chinese tourists are awesome, man. They spend lots of money. They contribution huge amount of economy any country. They are hardworking people. They're good people. They're not violent. They understand clear business in real life. They're not violent. They are very polite. They're respectful, but they love money. Simple as that. Don't try to play any money-related issue with the Chinese people. They take very serious, brother. But they're happy to fair transaction. Like you give me this one, I will give you this one. Even they give you a little bit more. That's how it is, okay? That's how it is. Crazy, yeah? So guys, if you guys like my video, please share the video, click the like button, subscribe. Help each other to grow. If you have any kinds of suggestion, please let me know. I try to improve myself, give you lots of information anywhere I go. Look at that. Crazy beautiful city in Pattaya in Thailand, as you see, man. Absolutely manless. Absolutely manless. Hasbi Allahu Nakil. Allah Hafiz.